We have a wonderful opportunity for a procurement assistant to work in London. The location is Canary Wharf, and it's for a larger management company who is into real estate, but also into hotel divisions and different hospitality arms. And therefore, we're looking for an experienced procurement assistant who must have either an UK passport or is an EU citizen. Importantly, we're looking for a procurement assistant who have UK-based experiences, understand the main wholesalers, understand the best possible price matrix, and is a very solid team player in regards talking to other department heads of different divisions to get the best possible product into their different divisions. This is for someone who is really serious about their job, as this will have fantastic opportunities for further career development. If you would like to know more about this appointment, please speak to the affiliate recruiter, which is Clive Webster, who is actually managing the client, or of course you can speak to myself for any other openings we have on our books. Looking forward to speaking to you in the very near future.